New Frontier Aerospace, NFA, has introduced Mjölnir, the world's first compact, next-generation LNG-powered rocket engine designed for hypersonic drones and orbital missions. The company recently completed a key hot fire test of this groundbreaking engine, marking an important milestone in the development of advanced propulsion systems. As defense and aerospace technologies enter a new era, priorities are shifting toward sustainability, modularity, reusability, and energy efficiency. Mjölnir meets these demands with a compact design and an advanced full-flow staged combustion (FFSC) cycle, a system previously used only in large-scale engines like SpaceX's Raptor. This combustion method allows for higher efficiency, lower thermal loads, and longer service life by fully converting fuel and oxidizer into gas before entering the combustion chamber. Unlike traditional engines, Mjölnir uses liquefied natural gas, LNG, as fuel, a cleaner, more sustainable alternative to RP-1 kerosene or liquid hydrogen. LNG not only offers high energy potential but also greatly reduces carbon buildup inside the engine, cutting maintenance time and increasing the number of flights. The engine is manufactured using advanced 3D printing technology, which significantly lowers production costs and accelerates design updates. This flexibility is essential in today's fast-moving aerospace industry, where private companies and government programs are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Mjölnir will serve as the primary propulsion system for NFA's Pathfinder hypersonic VTOL platform, built for rapid response, transport, and strike missions in extreme conditions, as well as for Bifröst, an orbital transfer vehicle designed to deliver payloads to low Earth orbit efficiently and repeatedly. Supported by NASA and the National Security Innovation Capital, the Mjölnir engine holds strategic importance for both the private sector and U.S. national security. NFA's CEO Bill Brunner emphasized that this combination of compact size, clean fuel, and exceptional performance positions Mjölnir as a real game changer in the future of hypersonic and space systems.